Hello everybody, my name is Mickey Waldrop. I'm a Research and Instruction Librarian at the Brunel Trustee Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use Nexis Uni. First, go to the library webpage at library.brunel.edu. From here, select Databases and search for Nexis Uni. Select Nexis Uni and you will be taken to our login page. In order to use any of the library resources, you will log in using the same information that you use to read your Brunel email or access your Canvas classroom sites. From the Nexis Uni landing page, you will notice there is a space to search for terms, citations, but I recommend, especially when you are looking at case law, to use the guided search. So if we select cases, federal cases, and let's enter some search terms. Right to privacy and education. You'll notice that I put right to privacy in quotation marks. This is so the database recognizes it as one term, and the "and" is capitalized to let the database know that we want to make sure that our results have right to privacy and education included in them. Finally, we will limit our search results to the last 5 years. You will notice that we have quite a few cases to go through. We can use the tools located on the left side of the screen to help further narrow our research. So let's add minor and see where that takes us. So you can already see that that is 500 cases less than we had before. You can continue to narrow your search results by either searching within or adding and new keywords. Now, from the search results, you will notice quite a bit of information is provided before you even click to see the case itself. For instance, we have a shepherd signal here. We have the title of the case, where it was heard, an overview, and where our keywords appear in the search. So let's check this one out. If you're interested in shepherd signals, there's information located on the right side of the screen here. The diamond with the plus signal is for a positive result. Now, you can read about the case itself. You can learn core terms that are used as keywords for this case. You can read the overview and the outcome. There's also a large section on LexisNexis head notes that you are welcome to read through. Or if you scroll down, you can get directly to the opinion on the case here. Now, this is a lot of information to read. You can sit here and read it while at your computer. You can print it. You can email it to yourself. You can download it, or you can send it to your Google Drive. One other thing that we recommend, which is something for librarians because we don't usually recommend this, is that you use this export citation tool. You will notice when you click on it that you can select several different formats for your citation to appear. I recommend APA, and then you can copy this directly to your document. You can paste it directly into your document. Usually, librarians are a little wary of citations out of databases, but because this is case law that we're dealing with, we do recommend using the copy to clipboard and pasting. Now, I believe that is all for Nexis Uni, but as you are doing your research, and if you find that you are having difficulty finding information, or you would just like to talk to a librarian, please go to library.brunel.edu, where you can make a research appointment from 15 minutes to 1 hour with one of our librarians. You can also find information to email or call us with your question. Thank you so much.